We end every episode with undupables, and basically I need you to name 5 things that are irreplaceable, undupeable in your life. It doesn't have to all be makeup or beauty. Like, it could be your dog, right? Like, it could be anything. But if you have beauty products and stuff, throw them in for sure. Like, it's just more things that you cannot be replaced for you right now. And here's the kicker, though. You have 1 minute to do it. Okay. And you have to give like a little explanation so we know why, right? Because if you just named 5 things, that would be really easy.
Timer?
Oh, we have a timer, babe. We got it.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So let me just, it's on 100 minutes. So how do you reset it? Oh, there you go. I got it. Yeah. Okay. See, we got 1 minute on the clock. All right. So 5 things, irreplaceable, undupable to you with a little explanation. I'm going to put it right here. Are you ready?
Yeah, I could try.
So, yeah, sure. All right. Ready, set, go.
The Estee Lauder Double Wear Maximum Coverage Foundation.
Okay.
If you watch my like very first YouTube video, I actually used it in there, and I've used it all throughout the years, and nothing compares to this foundation. Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Great price point. Freaking love that mascara, and nothing compares. It's like $3.99, $5.99, whatever, and it makes my lashes chunky. I love that mascara.
Okay.
MAC Myth lipstick. I've used it all throughout the years. I know I kind of roasted myself on it earlier, but it's still like tried and true, and I love that lipstick. Okay, that's 3. I would say Netflix.
That is valid. That is a valid choice.
Yeah. No, sure, Netflix, because late at night, Netflix is always there, and it always fits. There's always something. And then lastly, I would say, God, what's something I like? That's undupable. Undupable. I'm undupable.
Nobody has said that
There's
yet.
no other Bailey Sarian. I was going to say my middle name, but let me not. There is no other Bailey Sarian out there.
That is true, Bailey.
It's true.
No one has said that, and I think it's genius.
Yeah, I'm undupable.
Yeah, I agree. I think that's the perfect thing. It's true. There are no other Bailey Sarians. Not even close. Amazing. Well, that was a good undupable.
Yeah.
You gave us some like good ones. And also, yes, the Myth lipstick. It is great for that, like center nude. Yes.
Yeah.
So let's not roast it. Yeah, I'm glad you said that.
love
because
it.
It can be used in the right way.
Oh, totally.
So we love her.
I love her.
Amazing. Bailey, thank you so much for coming to our
Thanks.
studio and
Thanks
being
for
here
having
for this
me.
special Halloween episode.
Yes.
We're so grateful to have you in the fam, and it was wonderful sitting down talking to you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, you're
it's
the
like,
best.
again, full circle moment to always like come back to IPSY. Like, I love it. IPSY always has a special place in my heart.
Yeah, and vice versa. Like, we feel very lucky to have you. You're to be a friend of IPSY.
Yes.
Like it's really wonderful. So appreciate you making time for us today.
No, thank you.
Awesome. All right, guys. We'll talk soon.
Bye.
Are you